Welcome back, everybody. Today I am looking at a None Better about 3/8 inch ratchet. I am a big tool guy. I really love tools, and this was a ratchet from my grandfather. And picked it up the other day and thought, I really ought to take it apart and check it out and try to clean it up a little bit. Got a lot of dirt and grit and junk kind of on it, and thought it would be cool to clean it up. So these are made by None Better. I haven't really heard of them before, and they're forged deal, made in the USA, and they're pretty solid. They seem pretty well built. Real tactile clicks. And it appears all that's keeping this front plate on are these two screws in the back here. So I'm going to try to take this apart with you guys. We'll see if these Phillips heads are even serviceable. They're pretty gunked up. So my grandfather used to have a pecan orchard, and he had a lot of different tools he'd use to service some of his tree equipment. And got that one. Ooh wee, look at that. He'd have a lot of different tools and big tool chests for all the different pieces of machinery, and you'd have to fix everything you could on the orchard, to try to save money. And he always took care of his tools and his machinery. Got that one too. Oh, it is dirty. I'm guessing I think I can just pry this plate. I think I can just pry this front plate off and it should come off. Maybe. To find something to pry with. Oh. Got it. Whoa, look at that. That's kind of cool. I love doing this stuff, taking it apart, seeing how this stuff works. Yeah, she's pretty dirty. Well, I am gonna clean this up, and I will bring it back to the desk to show you guys. So I just broke out the ultrasonic cleaner to put some of the parts in, and if you can see all that gunk just coming straight off of some of these pieces. I got the screw, I got the, I don't know what it's called, the ratchet part itself in there. And then next I'm going to stick this in there. But just kind of wanted to show you guys the process and just really how useful these ultrasonic cleaners are, and then also how much, you know, junk and stuff you can get off of them using these things. So just finished up cleaning these pieces off, and you can see, well, kind of, they sure cleaned up nicely. These screws, their heads are still pitted some. This front faceplate looks all nice. Now I'm going to stick this bad boy in there. Just wanted to show you how nasty and dark this water cleaning solution got after cleaning all those parts. Pretty crazy. Alright, we're back at the desk here. Just kind of wanted to show you what we ended up with. You know, still have some stuff down in there, but significantly much better than what we started out with. I did lose some of the paint, but that's okay. I was pretty pleased how that cleaned up. In addition to these screws really cleaned up nicely. You know, one thing about this that's cool is these teeth seem to be in fantastic shape. The teeth seem to be in really good shape. So I expect to get a lot more life out of this. I'm just going to hit it with some oil. I don't know where my other oil went. This is penetrating, but some oil is better than no oil. So just going to try to keep it lubed. Try not to overlube it. Kind of fussy to get back in. I guess you probably gotta get it just right. It's my guess. Oh man, that's tight. Oh. Well, I thought this was going to be much easier getting it all fit back together. Maybe there's some secret way. I don't know. Maybe you stick these screws in there and they pull it. They pull it and suck it in. I think that's where she ends up. Just didn't quite seat all the way around. I don't know. This is my first time dealing with a None Better Ratchet, so works great. Goes in both directions. Nice and tactile. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.